This one, oh, I should have written down the instructions. Solve by completing the square. This one's the same as the other one, except for we just had to move stuff around in the beginning. So I'll do that. I have a quadratic and a bunch of terms, so I'm just going to get them all to one side. So I'll subtract 2x, subtract 2x, and I'll add 9 over. That won't combine with anything. So what do I get? I get 3x squared plus 6x, success, and then plus 9 equals 0. Same idea happens on the other one. Then, again, that first step is to divide or factor out whatever's in the front so I can complete the square easily. So I'll do that. And again, I will write it in red, and then the rest in black. X squared plus 2x plus 3, and then equals 0. Now I circle these because I'm going to forget about them for a little bit, and then I'll put them back. So let's complete the square. That's easy. X, and then plus 3. Okay, that's from there. So this will be plus 1 because I take this and divide it by 2. And then I square it. That's just 1. Oh, nice. And then I have x plus 1 squared plus 2 because I combined like terms there. And now I'll put back on the 0 and the 3. Except for I need to have the red there. People are going to forget that, I'm sure. But you got to be careful. Hopefully you're using these examples well. And I would distribute. Remember, it's not hard to distribute. The x plus 1 is protected by PEMDAS and the exponent. So I can't really distribute anything in there. And then I have x plus 1 quantity squared plus 6. Great. Equals 0. And I'll subtract 6. Easy. Ooh. And then 3x plus 1 quantity squared equals negative 6. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. And then I divide by 3 to get rid of this. Well, that's nice, because then I get x plus 1 quantity squared equals negative 2. I square root, and I'll get an imaginary number. Square root, always plus or minus. And I get x plus 1 equals plus or minus I root 2. I can't reduce the square root of 2, so I leave it. 2 equations plus 1 equals I root 2. Easy. Easy does it. Easy does it. And then a negative I root 2. I will subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. So it's x equals negative 1 plus I root 2. Look, the real part and the imaginary part. Fantastic. And x equals negative 1 minus I times the square root of 2. And there you have it, my friends. There you have it. All you have to do is move it over, and it's just the same as the rest of the 31, 32, 33, 34. It's the same as that as soon as you move it over. Okay? So, that's what you do for number 35.